Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to fix printer it not sharing or printer setting could not be saved. So in this video I'm going to share with you by step how you can fix that. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to share with you within 3 steps how you can fix that. First of all, try to run in your device. You can see there is a network connection connected. Right? Simply right click over there and click here, open network and internet setting, and then you will see the new screen appear here. You have to choose here sharing option, and then you will see there will be a new screen appear which looks like this. Maybe first of all start the private section. Simply click that and then make sure that this network discovery is turned on, and then file and printer sharing, make sure this turn on, and then again go in guest or public turn profile. Simply click over there and make here turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing, and go on all network, same thing, make sure that this turn on so anyone can write a public folder, and use 128V. This one also turn on password, make it turn off password protection and sharing, and then save change, and then try to restart your PC and then try to share your printer, and let's see is it working or not. So this is most powerful method. If it is not working, let me share with you the second step. Go on your Windows, type here services, and then you will find here services. A new screen appear here. You have to find out Windows Defender Firewall. So simply press in your keyboard W, and it will give you W related all the services. Here you have to find out Windows Defender Firewall. So I'm going to try to find out Windows Defender Firewall. So this one, Windows Defender Firewall, double click on it and then make sure it is automatic or not. If it is not automatic, make it automatic and then click start, apply, and then click OK. And then after that, second server services is just click S, and it will give you S related all services. You have to find out the server services. Just double click on it and then you will see there will be a new screen appear. Here you have to make setup type, make it automatic if it is not, and then click here start, then click on apply, and then click on OK, and then restart your PC and then try to print your document. If it is working or not, try to work your share printer save. If it is not, let me share with you the third. Go on your search icon, type here troubleshoot, and then you will find here troubleshoot setting. Here you have to click this printer and then click here run the troubleshooter, and detect your you will see all the connected printer listed in your computer, and then simply click each of them and then try to run this troubleshooter and restart your PC. Hopefully it's going to be work. If it is not work, just you have to uninstall your printer driver and reinstall. So easily you go in control panel and uninstall program, and then you will find here your particular printer. Just click over that printer and then click here uninstall, and it's going to be uninstalled, and later on you can reinstall from the internet this same driver. So this is how you can easily fix if you have any issue with your printer, if it's the printer not working. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.